Okay, so you want to be the fastest man alive? Well, you can't, because it's me! But you can be the second, I guess. Okay, so you're gonna train really hard for hours each day, and after 10-ish years, you will be the super fastest. Yes, the super fastest. Roll credits! Like, bitch! Do you actually think that's how you get fast? Your primitive Usain Bolt shit? No! More like Usain broken ankles! No! How you're actually gonna do it is by going here. Now go into the shed. You should see a small mirror. Now walk through it. Ha! You walked into a mirror, you fucking idiot! This isn't Disneyland with magic and pizzazz! Think for yourself! That being said, the next couple of steps are a little different. Now behind the mirror is a small door to a bunker. Inside is Walt Disney's frozen body. Now do your best Karate Kid roundhouse to Mr. Disney's head. Oh! Next, Mark Zuckerberg will appear in his lizard form and give you the key to Area 51. Now storm Area 51 like your great uncle did the beaches of Normandy. Inside should be an alien named Elf. You can tell it's him because he will be eating a cat. Now bring him home to my house.
He must be here. Thank you very much.
Now you're in the FBI most wanted, and there are probably dogs tracking you down. Because of this, you're going to have to be the fastest man ever, or you're going to die trying. Thanks for watching, I guess. Here's a compilation with me and my new friend Elf. Thanks for watching, I guess.
Ay, don't call me on my lonesome. You can find me riding through the city with my bro. Girl, I'm fucking with, just wanna kick you with a dope boy.